Bonjour tout le monde! Salut! Hello everybody! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes! Ça va? Are you ça va bien? Comme si comme ça? Oh ça va mal? Moi, ça va bien parce que il fait chaud. I'm in Glasgow where it's 20 degrés, 20 degrees. Ooh la la! It is jour number... Can you count to 30 with me in French whilst getting on all fours and pushing your back up and down? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Très bien! Jour number 30! And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, and merci beaucoup to everybody who's subscribed. If you're yet to do so, please feel free to hit the button below. Why were you not joining in? So lazy. And now it's time for our phrase of the day. Today we just have un phrase of the day, and it is simply I have. Écoutez. J'ai. 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 Répétez. J'ai. 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 I have. Très bien. Let's move on now to our ooh la la vocab. Ma vache is just so mignon. Ooh la la. Now we've already looked at body parts and parts of the face. Do you remember how we learnt this song? Tête, épaule, genou et pied, genou et pied. Tête, épaule, genou et pied, genou et pied. Les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche, le nez. Tête, épaule, genou et pied, genou et pied. And today we're going to learn some new parts of the body we're yet to cover. Ooh la la vocab numéro 1 is arms. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Répétez. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Les bras. Ouh là la vocab numéro 2 is hands. Écoutez 6 fois. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Répétez. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. Les mains. High five. Next up we have legs. Écoutez. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Répétez. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Les jambes. Next up we have the toes. Écoutez 6 fois. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Répétez. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils. Les orteils.
You probably didn't want to see my toes.
Ooh la la vocab numéro 5 is the neck. Écoutez 6 fois. Le cou. Le cou. Le cou. le cou, le cou, le cou. Répétez, le cou, le cou, le cou, le cou, le cou, le cou. Not this sort of cou. And our last ooh la la vocab is the back. Écoutez 6 fois. Le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos. Répétez, le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos, le dos. And now it's time for which one's missing? As per usual, I will help you with the first trois, and then for the final trois, you are on your own. First up, we have les bras, les mains, les jambes, and les orteils. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said les mains. Next up, we have les bras, le cou, les jambes, and les orteils. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said les orteils. Next one, we have les bras, le cou, les jambes, and le dos. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said les bras. Next one, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said les jambes. Next one. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said le cou. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo. Très bien. Excellent et magnifique if you said le dos. And now it's time for our sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Can you remember what our phrase of the day was? J'ai, which means I have. Très bien. So I'm going to ask you, tu as combien de something? Which means, how many somethings do you have? And you'll need to say, j'ai un something, or j'ai deux something, or maybe even more. I'll help you with the first trois. Tu as combien de bras? Répétez. J'ai deux bras. J'ai deux bras. Très bien. Tu as combien de mains? Répétez. J'ai deux mains. J'ai deux mains. Très bien. Tu as combien d'orteils? Répétez. J'ai 10 orteils. J'ai 10 orteils. Bravo! See if you can do the final trois by yourself. Tu as combien de jambes? Très bien. If you said, j'ai deux jambes. Tu as combien de coups? Bravo. If you said, j'ai un coup. Et finalement, tu as combien de dos? Magnifique. If you said, j'ai un dos. What? Still filming? So now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Now we've been thinking a little bit about les mains. Well, France is really good at a sport that involves les mains. In fact, the French men's handball team is regarded as the best in the world. They have won 2 Olympic gold medals in 2008, 2008 and 2012. 2012. The women's handball team have also been world champions 2 fois, 2 times. And now it's time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day will be a great way for you to see if you can remember all the different parts of the body. It is by Alain le Lait and it's called Les parties du corps, the parts of the body. You can find a link to it in the description below. And that's everything for today's French with Mr. Innes. Journée pas 30. Très bien. It's been so nice having you here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel below, and in the meantime, à bientôt, and au revoir! Bienvenue. No. This one here. The video, which are we have. No, that's gross. Next. What is our song of today? We're filming. I didn't realise. Oh my word. No. Today's so far. No, great waiting.